What up, guys? Miguel here of Viger, and what's this? Oh my god, it's beautiful! Alright, so Joey's out of town and he asked me to make sure his Lazada orders got to the office, all in time and safe. It did. And I thought it'd be an interesting video to kind of just check them all out. Alright, so first thing inside the box is an Anker Powerline 6 feet cable. It's a 6 feet micro USB to type A cable. Micro USB. Oh, I know what it's for. It could be for a DualShock 4. So maybe the micro USB to type A cable that came with your PS4 when you first bought it could be wearing out. And Anker is a very trustworthy brand. They produce very high quality cables, and this 6 feet length is perfect for playing wired on your console. And it set Joey back around 450 pesos, so good deal. Second, we have a power bank from Viger. It's of the 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, and you can charge it up via micro USB. And you get two USB type A ports for any cable of your choosing. One outputs 2 amps and the other 1 amp. So you also get some LED indicators over here dead in the center, and you can activate them by pressing the power button found on the side. So yeah, this is really nice. It's about the size of a 1 terabyte external hard disk drive. And again, 10,000 milliamps in this very portable size. And it only cost Joey also 450 pesos. So think about this one if you need a new power bank. Now we have the ZNT D06W True Wireless Earbuds, and this is what the case looks like. So it's very AirPods reminiscent, but the buds themselves are like that. They're square. Okay, here's a little test fit. I'm guessing this is the right bud. Oh, it's the left bud. I mean, I think that's what it looks like. Does it look weird? I mean, it's kind of a surprising buy from Joey. I guess he purchased this to gift to, I guess it could be a gift. Or he purchased them to test out how they fare against his Sony 1000 XM3s. Maybe you guys should expect that in a later video. I don't know. Lastly, we have... Ooh, I know these ones! It's the JBL Chuen 210s. They always have a very budget-friendly price tag when I see them online, and I've actually gotten to try them out like 2 months ago because my friend actually lent them to me. They're very, very good, especially when you consider the price. Joey paid 849 pesos for this guy, and honestly, if you can snag these guys for always less than 1,000 pesos, I think it's a really good deal. Lastly, we have a... Well, it's kind of snug here in the box. Oh, there was a free thumb drive included. It's a... Wow! Fiesta Meanie! It's a portable karaoke player, and it comes with this free thumb drive where... Well, I guess it's free. I don't know. It comes with it. All the songs are basically in this flash drive that you plug into this. Well, look at it. Look at it. It's just so... Look at that. Wow. Wow. It really is like super portable. It's about the size of a... Two Xiaomi boxes. They're called Mi boxes, right? Okay. So that's 2 Xiaomi boxes, or basically your own Sky Cable Digibox. So Joey spent around 2,999 pesos on this guy, and I think it's a pretty sweet deal if you like to karaoke a lot. Again, super portable. Maybe you're planning to go to a hotel, go out of town, and you don't want to have to think about where you can do some karaoke. Well, you can do it right from your hotel room as long as you have this. So yeah. Now, I remember Joey kind of ranting about how all of this basically cost him 6,000 pesos. He was pretty upset about it because he felt like he could have saved a lot more if he waited for a mega sale from Lazada. I mean, I'm sure you guys all know about Lazada mega sales. Christmas is in a few months and the deals you can find in these mega sales are just bonkers. Truth be told, there's actually a mega sale coming up right around the corner because how the dates for these sales work is it's basically the numerical number of the month it's on doubled, which would make this mega sale this September 99. So yeah, that was it for this going through Joey stuff gadget haul. If you guys found some really sweet deals and some cool finds on Lazada, let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this video enjoyable at least, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.